EduTools Factory is an AI-powered platform for creating, publishing, and analyzing tests and surveys with both manual authoring and generation from URLs and documents. AI is a core part of the system, supporting source processing, question generation, validation, and other intelligent operations. The visible generation features sit within a broader assessment infrastructure that connects domain-specific rules, governs sources, human review, delivery, and analytics. This diagram shows the complete workflow. An author can begin with manual input, a URL, a document, the Chrome extension, or the API. The content is extracted, cleaned, and structured. The author then selects the generation path, followed by validation and human review, before approved content is published through learning, exam, or survey mode. This is how the workflow appears in the user interface. Here we have the details of a prepared test, including its title, sources, and extracted content. On the next screen, we select the test type, number of questions, cognitive target, and AI model. The structured content, selected parameters, and relevant framework rules are then sent to the model. Generated questions are not published automatically. The author can edit the question, correct answer, distractors, explanations, and references, reorder the items, publish them, or withdraw them. A separate validator checks source grounding, whether there is one defensible answer, distractor quality, cognitive and domain alignment, difficulty, and the selected framework rules. The validator reports its findings, the human makes the final decision. A published test receives its own URL. In learning mode, the complete JSON package, questions, answers, and explanations, is loaded into the browser, and feedback appears immediately. Exam mode uses an API-backed session and keeps answers hidden until submission. Survey mode supports multiple question types, dimension-based scoring, and configurable results. A central development layer is the domain framework infrastructure. It defines what can be validly measured in a domain, which sources are appropriate, the role of each source, the expected errors and distractors, and what the validator must examine. The literature framework is the most developed example, demonstrated with the novel 1984, while structured draft domain kits already exist for mathematics, physics, and chemistry. This diagram connects the user workflow with the underlying layers: governance, semantic mapping, source policy rules, model services, and independent validation. The folder then shows the concrete domain kits and documentation used to expand the system with domain experts. The protected API allows LMS platforms, HR systems, internal applications, and authorized AI agents to use the same controlled capabilities. EduTools Factory turns domain expertise into a repeatable, reviewable, and scalable assessment process.